Welcome to the channel, and thanks for joining us. Today, we're diving into the full details of the 2025 Chevy Nova SS 396, a modern revival of a true American muscle car legend. Buckle up, because this is going to be a thrilling ride through performance, design, tech, and everything in between. The 2025 Nova SS 396 is Chevrolet's bold nod to its heritage, blending the classic muscle car DNA with modern engineering and technology. Under the hood, this beast roars with a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V8. Yes, that iconic 396 cubic inch displacement is back. It produces a jaw-dropping 525 horsepower and 480 lb-ft of torque. Mated to either a 6-speed manual or an optional 10-speed automatic, the Nova SS delivers raw performance with a refined touch. It launches from 0 to 60 in just about 3.9 seconds, and that exhaust note absolutely thunderous, deep, aggressive, and unmistakably old school. Let's talk design. The 2025 Nova SS keeps the spirit of the late 60s model alive, but with an updated, more aerodynamic body. You'll notice the sharp LED headlamps, a wide aggressive stance, muscular haunches, and a long sculpted hood with a functional air intake. Around the back, quad exhaust tips and a subtle rear spoiler hint at the power within. Available in classic colors like Hugger Orange, Midnight Black, and Rally Red, it's a car that turns heads whether it's cruising through downtown or tearing up the track. Step inside and you'll see that the Nova SS 396 is no bare-bones bruiser. The cabin merges vintage charm with contemporary tech. You get leather bucket seats with retro stitching, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and a digital analog hybrid instrument cluster that pays tribute to the original Nova SS while offering modern data readouts. In the center console, there's a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a premium Bose sound system, and integrated performance telemetry for track days. On the performance side, this machine is more than a straight-line dragster. It comes equipped with magnetic ride control, a limited slip differential, Brembo brakes, and a sport-tuned suspension. Whether you're carving through canyon roads or lining up at the Strip, the Nova SS delivers precision handling and ferocious acceleration. You also have drive mode select options: Tour, Sport, Track, and Custom to tailor the driving experience exactly to your liking. Safety and tech haven't been overlooked either. The Nova SS includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and even forward collision alert with emergency braking. It's a car that respects its past but is very much built for the demands of today's drivers. Only a limited number of these beauties are expected to be produced, making the 2025 Nova SS 396 not just a performance powerhouse, but also a potential collector's item. Whether you're a longtime Chevy fan, a muscle car enthusiast, or someone who just appreciates a perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation, the new Nova SS is a name that commands attention once again. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives like this, and let us know in the comments, would you drive the 2025 Nova SS 396, or is there another modern muscle car that's won your heart? We'll catch you in the next one. Drive safe, and stay powerful.